Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to adjust the seat belt height, because I am 186 long and the belt is rubbing at my neck. So we're going to change the position, and I find it very easy. Really, it's this plastic cup. You take it just off, just two small notches, and you need a 17mm socket. And there we go. And then we need to remove this one. And there we go. Snap the plastic back on. Well, the reason I need to do this is because I removed the swinging bracket, and the seat was 5 cm lower. So now the belt is rubbing on my neck. Let's see how it works with the lower height. Oh yeah, much better. Oh, sorry. Yes, feels excellent. See you.